Welcome children. Today I am going to discuss about the method or function. Method or function in a Java is a collection of statements that are grouped together to perform an operation. Okay, or you can say that a program module used simultaneously at different instances is called method. Okay, you can say method is a collection of statements that are grouped together to perform an operation, or you can say that a program module used simultaneously at different instances is called method. Methods are declared inside the body of the class, but immediately after the declaration of instance variable. Okay, method we have to start after the declaration of instance variable. Collectively, the methods and variables defined within a class are called members of the class. Okay, collectively, methods and variables defined within a class are called members of the class. Next, methods in Java are very useful because of the following reasons. First reason is to make the code reusable. And second, to simplify the code. Third one, to break complex problem into simpler sub problems. Okay, so this is the use of function. Okay, we can use our code, or we can simplify our code, or we can break our complex problem into simpler problem. Clear? Next is the method definition. Before using a method in a program, it must be defined. Okay, so here is the syntax. What is the syntax? First is the access specifier, then modifier, next is return type, then function name, then parameter list, then block of the function, then method body, and close the block of the function. It is the simple syntax of a method. So in access specifier, first one is the access specifier. You can take private, protected, or public values. Okay, if not specified, then package friendly is the default access specifier. If public, private, protected values are not there, so then package friendly is the default specifier. These specify the visibility of the function. Okay, these access specifier is responsible for the visibility of the function. Means your function where you want to your function will be accessed. So it's access specifier, also known as visibility mode. Clear? Next is the modifier. Modifier can take static, final. Okay, so now these type of values. Next is the return type. Return type is used to specify the type of the value returned by the method. Which type value you want to return in your method. Next is the method name or function name. Is used to specify the name of the method or name of the function. Next is the parameter list. Is a comma separated. Parameter list is a comma separated list of variables used to provide input to the method. If you want to take input from the method, so here you provide the parameter list and separated by comma. Clear? Suppose int a, comma, int b, comma, float a, like that. Next is the method body. It's a collection of statements we want to execute as a single unit. Okay, so this is the simple definition of method. Syntax of the method. Clear? Next is what is actual parameter and what is formal parameter. Okay, so let's see here. what is actual parameter and what is formal parameter. Suppose here I am taking an example, class as a test, public void m1 is a method. Here I am passing two arguments, int a and int b. Okay, so when we declare a function or define a function and we are using the parameters, these parameters are known as formal parameters. Okay, these parameters are known as formal parameters. Clear? And when we call the method, when we call the same method and passing parameters, passing variables, that parameters are known as actual parameter in calling time. Okay, in definition time means in declaration of the method, that parameters are known as formal parameter. And when we call, see here I am calling, here I am creating the object of the class and taking two variables x and y and put the value x and y, and here I am calling the method t.m1. it's a calling of the method. Okay, so here I am using x and y. Clear? I am using here x and y. So x and y both are a integer type, and these parameters are known as actual parameter. Clear? Calling time parameters are known as actual parameter, and declaration of the method is parameters are called formal parameter. Clear?